Hi, I'm Dima and I'm a part of Yeagers project. We're a small team building really useful tools for traders, the tools that actually work and provide you with a benefit. We launched 500 AI traders, AI agent traders, whatever they call them these days, on our platform. So you can go connect and allow them to take over and trade in your behalf, so to speak. So a big question that usually comes up, right? Like I connected my agents or my agent and they're not trading. What do I do? A day passes, maybe a week passes and there are no trades. So what's wrong? Is the platform not working or is there some other reason for it? So today I want to dive deeper into you understanding how they actually work and your trading frequency, what does it depend on? So let's dive in. All right, we are here on a platform called Yeagers. You can sign up, it's free. You can sign up through Yeagers.tech and enjoy the benefits. So let's go to our agent connection page and let's see some of the agents and try to decipher where your problem of agents not trading or not trading enough comes from. Let's select this agent and take a look at its behavior. As you can see, this agent is very precise, does really good trades, but the caveat of being very precise is that it does not trade very often. As you can see here, it started, the last trade ended in July, and then the next trade is in September, right? So if you select this type of agent, do not expect it to trade every day. It is simply not the type of agent that would be trying to enter an opportunity every day. It would select a very precise moment in time where it sees that, hey, okay, this is a very high chance opportunity for me, and it will enter. Otherwise, yeah, you'll have to sit through and wait for it to happen. On the contrary, if you do want to just increase the amount of trades, or you want to see how the trades are operating, you can select a different type of agent which does trade a lot, that trades very often. How about this one? As you can see, it's constant, right? It's constant trading back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. The average amount of trades per day that this agent is making is 3. So if you, for the sake of just seeing more trades, you could connect a higher frequency agent and it will do more trades on your behalf. You'll be able to see them. Additionally, there's one more way, which we think is the smartest way of increasing the amount of activity on your account, increasing the amount of trades on your account, and it's very simple. It's just connecting more agents. Just more agents with different behavior, some agents which are trading long, some agents which are trading short, other asset agents. So you can select one for Uniswap, and you can select one for Atom, you can select one for Doge or for Avalanche, doesn't matter. The more of different variety you have and the more of different behavior of agents you have, the more they will be trading on average. So we have a limit of 5 on the free account, but if you guys just want to play around and have more access, just drop us an email to support@yeagers.tech and we can increase your limit to 40-50 paper trading agents so you could test one and see whether you're getting what you're expecting. Alternatively, also we are very much trying to be growing a community, and for this community to be participating in how we build. So it's not just us coming up with ideas, it's community providing ideas for how to improve the current offering, how to improve and launch other products, what other features to build. For that, just again, text us. Write us an email to support@yeagers.tech saying like, hey, that would be cool to have this feature here, or this is not convenient and I want it changed. And if your proposition is good, we'll just build it. Like, we have a very efficient team, we'll build very quickly, and we'll just make it work for you, make it work for other people. So this way you're getting the benefit and the entire community is getting the benefit. So do drop us a message. Also, at the end of each of these introductory videos, we're giving coupon codes for 50% off in case you do want to jump in right away and connect a bunch of agents and see what they do. The coupon code is going to be right here. It's only going to stay active for around 2 weeks, and it's only for 5 people. So if you're first, great. You can get whatever amount, whatever plan you want, monthly, yearly, at whatever levels of agent connection limits that you want for 50% off. So yeah, hurry up, because it's gonna disappear. Otherwise, I think that's it. We answered the question for why your agents are not trading and how to make them trade more often. And I'll see you in the next one.